Hello, I'm Brett Hoffstadt. Welcome to my site here, and thanks a lot for coming to it. Would you like to talk about airplanes, rocket science by any chance? Probably not, but that's what I love to talk about. That's what I love to work on. But let's talk about something that seems even more challenging than rocket science, and that is how can we, as educated, smart people, technical people, have a successful job or fulfilling career in the world today? It's really tough, isn't it? Because that's what I've been wondering for many years, and it seems to have been getting tougher and tougher. Myself, I am an engineer with 2 degrees, have a family, and after being an engineer for a while, I got into project management and innovation projects. What I found was that through that work, I gained an appreciation of how much the world is changing over the years and how much we need to adapt, not just as individuals, as people, but as technical people, as companies and institutions. So what I've learned is that some people have figured out now how to take advantage of our digital age. And for those of us in technical fields that have the industrial era knowledge, industrial fields, there's a lot we can learn from that. Now, at this point, some of you might be expecting me to say, you can ditch all that, you can make money online, and do great with that. Well, there are people who say that, and maybe that's when you want to try. But I'll tell you, my story is I have tried to earn money a lot of different ways outside of my job, which was engineering. I tried real estate as a landlord. I did that for a while. I tried to turn my hobbies into income with my music, and I also tried network marketing and selling soap and vitamins. Some of you know what I'm talking about there. I learned a lot, great experiences, but ultimately what I learned was that they didn't work for me for 2 big reasons. Number one was they didn't appeal to my strengths, my abilities and expertise that I had growing up. A lot of it came from engineering, technical skills. And I also wasn't really passionate about them. I loved the idea of succeeding with them, but I still thought if I could do something and didn't have to get paid for it, it would not be this stuff. So what I'm going to propose to you is, what if you could take what you love to do, take what you're great at, that you've spent many years becoming really good at, or you even want to be better at, and how can you use the digital age, things available to us now with the connection economy, to make a great, awesome career and a total lifestyle for yourself that is really the kind of lifestyle you want to live? What if you could do that? That's what I'm doing. That's what I'm going to help you do too. So after we get through my little talk here, I want you to check out the offer that's here, where the first step will be to create your own website, because you'll need some kind of platform and base for yourself, a base of operations to be online. And then the best way to put some content and value and explore what you can do with that website, I found, is to have a blog, because you can use that for constant iteration, constant learning, and a way to produce content that can be adaptable to whatever your topic area, whatever your focus, even other delivery methods. It may not be writing, it may be other things. But the blog and a website are great launching points. They can be inherently flexible and adaptable for that. Alright, so there's an offer now, and if you get started, there's an introductory period. As I make this video, it's under $10 when you can get your own custom website and blog. And by doing that, I will get to work with you one-on-one, so we can talk and make a plan, make a game plan, figure out, what do you really want to do? What can you do great? What can you offer the world? Because we need people like you to make a difference. And the way we do that now is changing over the years, so we have to figure out how to adapt, how to take advantage of it. Alright? So, it's great to have you here. Find the link here to start get an introduction. You're going to see some more videos from people. You're going to see a lot of success stories. People who've really done amazing jobs to do this, to move into the digital age. One thing to keep in mind, their results are not typical, they're not average, but I bet by you coming here watching this video, you're not average either, right? So let's figure out how to do something great together. And you'll also see in this video, they'll talk about other programs and products that you can get. That's up to you if you want to get them, but you don't have to now. I ask you just to focus on having your own website, starting a blog, and that's how we can get started together. All right? Thanks for being here. Thanks for doing what you do, for wanting to do better and engineer some great innovations in the world and for yourself. Take care and take charge.